Hi guys, welcome back. As you know from the title, we're about to make Sam's chicken. You have to butterfly the chicken like that. You can see. So now we butterfly the chicken, yeah? I give it a little squeeze down like that. 1, 2, 3. That's how you butterfly a chicken. Yeah? That's how you butterfly a chicken. Now you know. Coming straight at you. Butterfly the chicken. We've washed our hands nice and clean. Now we're about to season it. Guys, we're about to season the meat. What I'm gonna do, a little bit of salt, just on the skin. And a little bit of salt. Yep, and then I'm gonna season this. And this is my season. I'm gonna use all-purpose seasoning, and I'm gonna use cayenne pepper. I'll put all that in, and I'm gonna put. This is Cajun seasoning. Alright guys, now we take our breast. I'm gonna put it in the flour. So, just take it, put in the seasoned flour. Now we're gonna cut up some lettuce. Thinly sliced lettuce. When it goes in a burger, I like thinly sliced. That's the way Sam's chicken has it, doesn't it? Yeah? Sam's chicken? Thinly sliced. Alright guys, here we go. I'm gonna assemble it. That. Cover that. Yo, what is up people? As you saw from the title, as you can see from seeing me cook this is the Sam's chicken. Sam's chicken. Sam's chicken burger. I've done it. I did it. Alright. So this is it. I don't know which. I got some sushi by the way as well. Sushi. It was on sale. A salmon, prawn, and mackerel sushi. Yeah. So here we are. Here we are. Yo, how's everyone? First and foremost, I want to thank everyone for subscribing, everyone putting thumbs up, everyone viewing it. Respect to everyone. I hope all of you had a lovely Christmas. Now we're gonna head towards the new year now. Big up to everyone. Thank you to everyone. Much love to everybody. Let's cheers, guys. Cheers. And remember what I say, if you're underage, this is not for you, and do not drink and drive. Let's go. Good. Alright, got some lemon here with my sushi, but I don't know which one to go with. Alright. Alright, I'll go with this one. Let's go with this one. Look at that. Got a little bit of mayonnaise, you saw it, the lettuce. Alright, let's go. So all my Sam chicken lovers out there, if you love Sam chicken, salute. Guys, I grew up on Sam's chicken. Sam's chicken was the best. And this is a real, there's not much I can say about Sam's chicken. Just go try it if you haven't tried it already. Yeah, it was good. We never did this when we were young. But now I'm a little bit older, so I do, put a little, yeah. As you saw in the video, guys, I put cayenne pepper as well, so it's a little bit spicy. Yo, that's some good stuff, man. Cheers, guys. Try this at home. Guys, what are you up to for New Year's, man? What are you guys getting up for New Year's? 2020 is right here, man. Guys, it's been emotional, man. It's been an emotional year for me. I'm not gonna get into it, but I broke my hand. It's been an interesting year. It's been an interesting year. Focus on the positive. Being positive is the key. Definitely. New Year, guys. The countdown to New Year. Guys, I know this video is not about sushi, but I did get this on I got this on a deal. I'm just gonna show you. I will do like a sushi video by itself. But look at this one. Look at that. Look at that. So basically, I'm just gonna have one. Then I'm gonna do another sushi. I'm gonna do another sushi video. I'm gonna do a sushi video. So there's the wasabi, there's the ginger. That's ginger. Yeah. Oh, comes with a little bit of chopsticks. That's how it comes. I'm just gonna do like 2 of these guys because like I said, it's a chicken It's a chicken burger, it's a chicken burger video. It's not a sushi video, but like I said, when I was buying all this stuff, it was an offer. It was reduced, it was an offer. I need to do a video on this, guys. I need to do a video on sushi. What am I doing? Alright, let's see, which one should we go for? Alright, I'm gonna go for this one. Go for two of them. Then, what's that one? That one looks like salmon. No, that one's mackerel. That one, no. We're gonna go for, let's see. Alright, let's go for the mackerel. Yeah? Let's go for the mackerel. So I'm gonna take a little bit of my soy sauce. I can come closer for you guys. Take a little bit of soy sauce, put a little bit on there, drop, and a little bit on there, drop. Nice. There you go, alright? Yep. Guys, celebrate life to the fullest. Celebrate life to the fullest. Gonna have one of those. Enough about sushi, promoting sushi. So guys, I'm not gonna say when New Year's is on the camera because I don't know how I'm gonna edit it, but I do know I'm gonna edit this before New Year's begins. So guys, let's get ready for New Year's. Let's do this. The time is now. Let's do it. Let's go. Thank you so much to you guys. Thank you for the support. Thank you for watching. The videos are gonna keep coming and keep coming. Thank you for all the support. Guys, go try out that I keep wanting to call it chicken sandwich because Americans call the Popeye sandwich chicken sandwich. Go try out that. You saw the recipe, you saw how I did it. You can see it's legit. I mean, come on guys, look at that. You can see it's legit. You see it's legit. Alright? So go try that out. If you want to mix it with sushi, if you want to do it as well. Pardon me. So this is what I'm going to sign out, guys. It's time to prepare for this New Year's, alright? So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all the support. Thanks for everything. Peace, much love, support, love each other, love yourself. And that's how we're gonna sign out. One love. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with a friend. I'll appreciate that. Thank you so much, guys. Sign out. One love.